I think they call it hoodies instead of hoods. Which one is hoods?
Then what is hoodie?
Hoodie is the thing that we just watched now. Hood is like Zanga, your ghetto, all that kind of thing. Fashion the same means to look different than in different world. Welcome to Glitz and Fash. It's your own boy, Tolo Brian, and I have with me the beautiful
Precious Grace. So today, guys, we're looking at a few DIY, that is do-yourself tips that can help you change your old clothes into new, stylish, fashionable outfits that you could rock better. You know, I'm talking about all these old polos, old tops, hoods, and all that we've had in our wardrobe for like 3 years. You could like bring them back and still rock it than giving it out or throwing it away. Yeah,
like she said, we have old shoes and all that in our wardrobe. Like my shirt is old, but I made it to what it is today. You like it, I know. So now moving on to our first clip of the day, we're going to be showing you how to convert your old oversized hoodie into a short skirt and a crop top. Let's check it out.
And those beautiful, guys. I find those videos really creative. I mean, I now know what to do with my hood, like really baggy, where she changed it from a crop top to short skirt. That's really creative. What do you think?
It was really cool, but I think they called it hoodies instead of hoods. Which one is hoods? You know hoodies?
I think it can be called hoodie and hood.
I know. It's called hoodies. They don't call it hood.
Then what is hoodie?
Hoodie is the thing that we just watched now. Hood is like Zanga, your ghetto, all that kind of thing. So your hoodie and your short skirt and crop top. That's it.
Okay. So guys, let's look at other videos on how to convert your old stuff into your new stuff.
So guys, as you have seen, there's a lot of things that you can do with your old stuff at home. Like for example, like I said earlier, I made my shirts, yeah? So this was the only thing on my shirt, but it's like a generational shirt. So my brother wore it, my brother passed it to my brother, to my sister, and then now it's mine. So I didn't want to leave it because I really love it. So
yeah, before you start to brag, I remember getting this top. You know when you order something versus what you get when you order before, and it was really big, and I had to like style it.
Was I not the one that told you to put this?
You were not the one. I actually styled myself. Also, it's something you could think about too and had to if you had big shirts.
But what's special about she just folded
it looks chic.
Do you know what I did to this?
What did you do to
Do you know what I did? Well, moving on, guys. We're about to go into a very interesting one. Now, this clip is how to convert your sneakers. You know the way you see pop art sneakers. I have one. I wish I could show you, but it's not here with me. So our next video is how to convert your sneakers into a better one, right?
That was really lovely, and I'm
Yeah.
sure we've gotten some really creative ideas on what to do with our white sneakers. I mean, all that stuff. I'm sure you learned a lot from those videos too.
Yeah, like this is like my favorite because I have a lot of old white sneakers at home, from the ones that my brothers used to serve to my sisters on. So I know how to convert them into something really cool for Tolu brands to wear. Alright. So guys, we're going to be leaving you with other DIY videos for you to look up and do something creative for yourself, right?
So guys, don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram at Teen Africa TV, and go to the comment section, tell us what you think about these videos and what ideas you have.
So guys, subscribe to our YouTube channel at Teen African TV. Like you said, follow us, and also on our private Instagram handles at Tolu Brand and at Last Black Unicorn. I got it, yeah?
Yes.
Bad boy. So until next time, stay safe and stay blessed.
Yeah.
Eh?
Bye.